Hi, and welcome to Williamsport PA Apartments, where we offer premium quality 2-bedroom apartments for rent. Today, we're touring a fully remodeled 2-bedroom apartment at 938 Sheridan Street. As we enter this 750 square foot apartment home, we're welcomed into the spacious combined living and dining room area. A sliding glass door opens to your private walkout balcony and fills the space with natural light. This living space provides ample room for both comfortable seating and a dining setup, complete with a ceiling fan and overhead lighting. Next, let's move into the galley kitchen. This space has been beautifully updated with an electric range, a built-in microwave, a new dishwasher, new countertops, a large storage pantry, new cabinetry, and a full-size refrigerator. Making our way down the hall, immediately to the right, you'll find the in-unit washer and dryer, along with extra storage space, offering the convenience of doing laundry right at home. Across the hall is the fully renovated bathroom, featuring a brand new vanity with a quartz countertop, updated lighting, a new shower surround, toilet, and flooring. Continuing down the hallway, we come to the linen closet, great for additional storage. Here we have the secondary bedroom, which would make a great home office, guest room, or hobby space. Finally, we enter the primary bedroom, which offers generous natural light, a wall-mounted air conditioning unit, and a spacious closet. Thanks so much for stopping by for a virtual tour. If you'd like to join our community, please visit us at williamsportpaapartments.com or view the information in the description box below. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay updated on future tour videos. We hope you choose our apartments to be your new home.